first Tagalog teacher ever on italki.
Oh, really? I feel so ano.
Don't you
I,
remember?
I,
I have
I thought you have already,
no.
I mean,
I have started
okay.
with you.
Okay.
It's now. It's our third lesson.
Yeah.
Third, yeah.
Okay, let's see. Pretty
Okay.
is, do not chita.
Pretty
You
is
don't
maganda.
have, okay, you don't have,
Maganda, right?
right, it's maganda. Next is,
Good. Good is
good
maganda as
is,
well, right? Oh, sorry. Good is mabuti, right?
okay, very good. It's mabuti. Near,
And
and then the
near
ugly.
is
What about the opposite one of pretty? The ugly.
sorry. Ugly is pangit.
Okay, and then bad or evil.
Bad is I forgot this part.
Yeah, it sounds like that, but it's not masaya. Can I say the answer na?
Wait.
Oh, sige.
Is happy. But
Yeah,
bad
it's masaya.
is asaya. I don't know. Asaya.
Masama. It's masama. Yes.
Masama. Okay, masama. Okay. Near is I don't know. Near I don't know that.
Near is malapit.
Malapit.
Yeah, and then far.
I don't know that either. Far is hindi ko alam.
Malayo.
Palayo?
Yeah, malayo.
Malayo or palayo?
Malayo.
Malayo. Okay.
Yeah. And then hardworking. Do you remember the picture of the hardworking? It's an ant.
Yeah. I don't remember.
Hardworking is, should I say?
Opo.
Masipag.
Masipag.
And then
Masi
lazy.
Masi is in my language is a fly. Pag.
Oh, pag masipag.
Pag. How to remember pag? In English, there's anything pag? Pag.
Fog. Kaso letter ano siya? Letter P siya eh. It's a letter P. It's not a fog. Fog the
Pag.
early in the morning. Fog. Masipag. What about lazy?
Lazy. Hindi ko
Tamad.
alam.
Tamad.
Tamad. Tamad. Yeah, I remember from tama to tamad.
Yes. And then
It's not
is,
tama to be it's not tama to be tamad.
Yes, it's not tama to be tamad. Okay. And then easy.
I never heard that in Tagalog.
Easy is madali.
Madali. Madali. I think
Okay,
I heard
you can go
other teachers use that. No, it's actually this is better. You know, it's pressurizing my brain to
okay.
try to remember.
Okay.
Taking out the
the words,
like,
the stock knowledge.
The words,
okay, let's see if you stuck well. Okay. Next, what about difficult? And
difficult.
yeah,
Difícil.
easy is madali.
Is madali.
Okay, difficult is
difficult. Hindi madali.
Hindi madali. Very good. But what is the other term, the exact word? Instead of saying, yeah, it's okay if you're going to say hindi madali because difficult na siya, di ba? So, but the proper, but the real word of that is mahirap.
Mahirap. Okay.
Yeah, mahirap.
Mahi can rap.
Okay,
Remember?
rap.
Yeah.
The rap. You are very good in memorizing or mastering words with music, okay? Pero the rap thing is mahirap. And then happy
is masaya.
Masaya. And then sad.
Malungkot.
Malungkot. Very good. High or tall?
High is tall is malaki, no?
That is big.
Malastas?
Malaki
Malatas?
is, okay, sa ano na,
Malatas.
malapit na mataas.
Mataas, yeah.
Yes.
Because I just practiced like few hours back on Duolingo. That's why.
Okay, it's okay. Low or short?
Maliit.
Maliit, it can be maliit. But if we are referring to short or no, it is better to say mababa.
Okay.
What about new? For example,
new is
new
bago?
bag, bago. Good, yes, bago. And then old.
Old is luma.
Luma, very good. What about young?
Young, hindi ko alam.
Bata.
Bata? Same like a child?
Yes.
Bata is a child, yeah. Oh, okay. And old as well, luma?
Luma, okay. Or the other term, if you are referring to old people, it is proper to say matanda.
Matanda. Yeah, remember. Like old lady, like
Yes, the old lady, the old
maganda,
man. Maganda, maganda, maganda ang matanda. Oh. Next,
maganda.
noisy.
Noisy, yeah, I can't forget that because I just made a like a funny sentence out of it. Yeah. Ma, maingay, right?
Oh, yeah, that's good. Yeah,
Yeah, because I because I can't forget because the way I just made I made a sentence. Like, remember the main
yes.
guy, the main gay is
The
noisy.
main gay is noisy. Ah, yeah. The main gay is noisy. Yeah. And then quiet. It's tahimik.
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 Tahimik. Tahimik.
Yeah. Quiet. Because after this one, we have another set of adjectives. Okay. And then out of that, after that, I will show you a picture and then you describe that picture to me in Tagalog. Okay, let's try the stock knowledge. If it is stuck well. Okay. What is right or correct in Tagalog?
Tama.
Tama. Very good. Tama. And then wrong?
Wrong is hindi tama.
Hindi tama. Or mali.
Mali.
It
sounds like Spanish. Mal is bad, but mala or malo is mali from that word. Okay.
Mali. And then fat?
Fat is mataba.
Okay. And then slim or thin?
Is I don't remember that word. I just learned. I actually learned that long time ago. Mataba, but slim. I don't know that. Iko lang.
Payat.
Payat. Okay, payat.
Taba or payat.
Taba,
Okay.
payat. Okay.
Now we go over with I've sent to you just right now. Okay.
Paragraph.
Yung it is it started in yeah, it's mataba and payat we have already tackled. No? Makapal and manipis.
Makapal. Manipis.
Did you see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Makapal is thick and manipis is thin.
So mataba and payat, that's what we have already discussed. But makapal is thick and then manipis is thin. Okay. Next is this one. Can you read? What's next?
After that?
Yeah.
Malambot?
It's buhay.
Buhay? Patay, right?
Okay. Buhay is what?
Wait, it's loading. It's still small, I can't see it.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. Wait. Buhay is alive.
Alive. Yeah. So we are both alive. We are not dead.
Patay is dead. Okay, buhay. Mabuhay.
Buhay. That's what we say in Tagalog. Mabuhay. Parang
to be alive?
To be alive or long live.
Okay, mabuhay.
That's parang expression.
And patay is dead. Okay.
And then cold.
Cold? Okay, cold.
Katabi lang niya, buhay, patay. Magkakasama yung mga yan.
Cold is maniit.
Malamig. Malamig.
Sorry.
Beside the patay.
Malamig. Malamig is cold, yeah.
And then hot.
Mainit, right?
Okay.
Hot.
Yes. So in pictures, the hot coffee, mainit, and then malamig and ice cream. So, Ingo, which do you prefer, ice cream or coffee?
Coffee.
Coffee. Mainit. Same with me, coffee. I'd rather choose coffee than soda, soft drinks.
What about cold coffee?
Cold coffee, I'll still go to hot one.
So if anyone bring you a hot coffee, you will, cold coffee, so you will put in there.
You cannot have any choice. Like if there is no hot coffee, only cold. I'll take it na.
I'll take it and I'll put in the microwave to.
With the ice, no? Okay. And so malamig, it's referring to an ice cream. It's cold and then mainit, coffee.
Hot.
Mainit, hot. And then next is clean.
Clean. Next, malinis.
Okay, and then dirty.
Madum or madumi? I can't see. Madumi. Madumi.
Malinis, clean, dirty, madumi, and then fragrant. Something smells good.
Let me copy paste on my mind so that I won't forget.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, malamig is mala is a bad in Spanish. Mig you can say like we used to use a messenger before. Mig 33, if you remember. If you ever use it, I don't know. Mig 33, like I think 15 years back it was famous. That was famous before Android actually. They used to use on like Symbian phone, like on Nokia. Malamig. Like it there's many bad things happen that
Mhm.
those days. So yeah, malamig, bad mean.
Malamig. Okay.
Malamig. Cold War happened on malamig. I can say that.
Okay. And in
Cold War.
malamig, we want to drink mainit na coffee.
Okay.
Diba?
And mainit. Okay, main it. Main, like that word. The main thing is mainit. The main thing is in Jeddah, it's weather. It's hot weather. Yeah, you can say
Okay.
that. The main thing is in Jeddah, it's
Mhm.
hot weather. Yeah.
Okay. So mainit. How you will associate your
Yeah, I'm
words.
associating like that.
Mhm.
Like not 100%.
Yeah,
Like,
it's okay.
cannot
At
use.
least
Yeah.
you have
Mainit.
something in mind that would remember the words.
Yeah, like the main thing is in Jeddah, it's hot weather. I'm
Hot.
using like main,
Mm,
then it separate, but I'm adding s on it.
okay.
Mainit.
Mainit. Okay.
Okay.
Next is
Malinis.
clean.
Malinis.
Mm.
Malinis. 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 Okay. Mal is also bad in Spanish. Malinis. How to associate that? Oh, okay. Can get it now.
Okay. How you will associate the
Mal
word
in is. I can do that now. Okay. Mal is bad in Spanish. In, like in. In is,
inside.
yeah. Inside is it clean.
Inside.
Like let's say like the garbage. What is it called? Like garbage.
Okay.
How to say that? Garbage container
Basura.
in. Yeah. Basura. In is clean.
Okay.
Mal in is clean. I'm just trying to make a
It's okay.
sentence or
Okay.
associating mal. Mal in is clean. Mal is clean. Clean. Okay, let's say the garbage container. Let's say that called mal, and it's
Okay.
in is clean.
Okay.
I don't know
Okay.
what with that in it. Just try my best to.
Okay. It's
Okay,
okay.
Madumi. Madumi. Is it correct or Madumi? How to say that?
Madumi. Madumi.
Madumi. Okay, let's like separate mad.
Separate
Okay.
clean to dirty.
Okay. Mad ummi. Ummi in Arabic is like mom. My mom is
Mm.
mad because it's dirty.
Okay. That's good. Me, yeah. The first person that will get angry inside the house is the mother.
Yeah,
The
exactly.
mom.
Because of the dirty room or whatever.
Yes. Because of
Mad
the
ummi because of dirty. Whatever, the room, the kitchen. Here is like kitchen, right?
yeah.
Mad
Everywhere. Kitchen, bathroom, room, living area, dining. If it's madumi, definitely the mom will get mad. But if it is fragrant, mom will be happy. Well, what's fragrant?
Ma is another again. It's mom.
Okay.
Ba as well. We can say like a father, dad, but no one uses that frequently. Like is that common ba? But we can use that as well. Parents are happy because of the smell or no?
Yes,
So,
because of the fragrant.
fragrant.
If the house is mabango, the bathroom is mabango, the room is mabango, definitely mom will be happy.
Opo.
And then the next is stinky, the same with dirty. It's
Okay.
mabaho.
Mabaho.
If it is madumi, it's mabaho.
Baho.
Diba? So they are correlated, madumi and mabaho.
Baho in like Colombian accent is like alto bajo is short or down. No. Bajo.
Down. What?
Colombian
Mabaho.
accent. Yeah.
Hmm.
Just baho, not ma. Baho.
Okay,
Like
baho.
mom
Baho.
is short. Mabaho. Then how to associate stink. Short mom. Stink. Stinky.
A short mom will easily smell the poops.
Short
Kasi pag was, diba?
poop of the baby.
Yeah, the poop of the baby.
Okay. Baho. Okay.
That is stinky.
Next is
Okay, next is
parejo. Parejo.
parejo.
Parejo in Spanish is couple.
Couple,
Like,
so that's it. Parejo.
Pareja.
Similar.
But it's not parejo, it's pareja actually. Pareja.
pareha. Actually,
pareha.
in Tagalog, yeah, it could be pareho or pareha. We use it pareho
Really?
or pareha. Yeah.
Pareho is a masculine gender and pareja is a feminine gender. It's like that, you know. But in Spanish, it use pareja the most. So, and
Okay.
there is another way, medias as well, right? Medias.
Yeah, medias. Yeah, that's
Yeah, there's a
medias.
Spanish word.
Yes.
Also calcetines in Spanish. But parejo so far. Parejo. Parejo couple. What is that? Magkaiba? Magkaiba.
Yeah,
Sorry,
magkaiba.
magkaiba, right?
That is
Magkaiba.
different. Yes, magkaiba.
Magkaiba.
So, at hindi pareho. Magkaiba.
Hindi pareho. Okay, magkaiba. In my language, is kaiba. It means kaiba means like, would you like to eat? Kaiba. From we can say like mug. We're just offering someone with the mug, asking him, kaiba, will you eat with the mug?
What is
Or we can.
we have this dish food that I can say. Kebab. Kebab ba yun? Is it?
Kebab. Like
Kebab.
shish kebab. We have. Kebab is like carne, right? But it's like it's grilled, right? Something not grilled, like very similar to grill, like this size.
Okay.
Like,
they call it kebab.
This size, right? This size, like that.
I can
Exactly
see.
this. Yeah.
We love eating kebab, actually. Because
Okay.
here in Philippines, or siguro, it's not the same place as in your place, but there's a lot kebab here. Siguro they integrated the taste into Filipino dish.
Okay. The kebab is this size actually, you know? This size, right?
Okay. I don't know kasi when they offer us here, they slice it eh. They slice
This
it
size.
and then
This size kebab.
kebab, okay.
Because I have a restaurant here, Pakistani restaurant. They sell kebab.
Kebab. It's a
this
meat.
size.
It's really a meat.
Yeah.
It's a pork or a beef.
Okay. We have like beef and like sheep. I think. I'm not sure. I think beef.
Beef.
Mostly
It's
beef, right?
beef kasi, di ba? Oh, yeah. Yeah. And then here, in the version of Philippines, when we ordering kebab, they put cucumber, tomato, and then they slice the kebab. They mix it in rice and mayonnaise. That's how we taste that. I don't know if it's the same within your place.
Here it's different actually, because it's a Pakistani restaurant, so yeah, they're different. They're putting like chili.
So much chili.
Yeah, no, separate, not together. But it's already spicy. But they're putting extra chili.
Extra chili.
Yeah. Opo.
Okay, yeah. So that is magkaiba. Oh, that's how you will associate kebab.
Mug.
The
like
mug. The kebab is
asking
the
guy. No, not kebab. Is you can say kaiba is in my language. It's like, will you eat? Would you like to eat?
Really?
Like offering someone kaiba. Like it's the slang actually. Slang Bengali is not pure Bengali.
Okay.
We say like kaiba with the would you like to eat? Yeah, offering someone with mug. So it's a different way to offer like that. It's a different way to offer with the mug. Kaiba, asking someone.
Okay. So that's how you will associate that. Okay. Next is big.
Matanda, sorry.
It's pareho. Di ba we're in pareho? Pareho, magkaiba. Di ba yung two socks?
No, we have, but there's no big, like there's a bata after that. Bata, matanda.
It's beside of pareho. You go over with the socks. Can you see that?
Wait.
The pareho, the socks one. Pareho and magkaiba. Oo, pareho, magkaiba.
Pareho, magkaiba. Malaki, malait, right?
Yes. Okay. Malaki is
malaki?
big.
It's big. I remember this word because we have here, like malaki is like royal or royalty. Malaki in Arabic, you know, that's why I could remember. Malait, because I've practiced this on Duolingo a lot, that word, so that's why I remember.
Okay. Malaki is so the way you associated this more on royalty. And then maliit?
Maliit, I just remember that because I keep practicing on Duolingo. That's why.
And then the next one is maliwanag. Did you see that? Maliwanag, madilim, mabilis, mabagal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maliwanag is bright. Okay.
Right. So is it bright in your place or madilim?
Yeah. Maliwanag, madilim. How to remember maliwanag? Like marijuana?
Maliwanag.
Yeah. Can do something like make some stupid sentence which doesn't make sense, but remember.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's how
maliwanag, marijuana. It's like when you smoke marijuana,
you'll be you see bright.
Yeah, exactly.
You only see bright when you are using marijuana. Okay. Your life is bright. So yeah.
Maliwanag, marijuana.
Sige. It's okay. Next is madilim. But when you are so high with marijuana, your life will be madilim.
Madilim. Madilim. Madilim, dark. Madilim. There's a name like called Madeline, so you can associate with that. Ilim. What's the meaning of ilim?
Dark.
Itim is black, right? Itim.
Black. And
Puti is white. So
yes.
Ilim. What about just ilim?
Ilim is dark, as in dark lang siya.
Ah,
The same with madilim.
Ilim. Okay. Mad.
Yeah, that's why the color of in the picture is black because it's associated with the color black. If it is black, it's dark.
Mad, ill, I am. Mad, ill, I am.
Okay.
Okay. Mad, ill, I am. Okay, I'm mad at the same time. Ill, like
Ill?
Sick. Yeah.
So
I
if
am.
you're ill, you feel dark.
Yeah, it's a dark actually. Mad, ill at the same time. It's a dark days. It's dark days.
Yeah. If you feel ill, if you are ill,
And mad.
yeah, you feel mad, you feel dark. The color is the ambience is dark. Okay. Next is fast.
Mobilis. Mobilis.
Yeah.
Mobilis. Like mobile. Sounds like mobiles. 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 Like mobiles. Like mobile. Automobile is fast. So yeah. Mobile is fast. Mobilis. Mobilis. Mobilis.
And then the other one, the opposite is slow.
Bagal.
Bagal.
Okay. Bagal. Bagal. Oh, it's like it sounds weird, but like parents, mother and father, like like example of this, like to walk slower, so they're just lying to their son or their child. Let's see, how can I? If you like practice, maybe more than if I try to memorize, or I revise like second time, maybe I won't forget.
Yes,
Rather than trying to memorize the whole the whole vocabularies.
Yeah, it's okay. You just have to take your time because it's not in a rush. If it is done in many practice, it's became more permanent. Okay.
Yeah, like I'm watching YouTube videos, like very slow to remember things, like baka, like that. It's repeating many times and saying, and there's including the pictures.
Yeah, baka, it's the cow.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, what about kind?
Mabait.
Mabait.
Sorry, mabait. Mabait.
Yes.
Like
Bait.
bait is in Arabic is house. Mabait. Okay, when mom is at home, she's kind.
Really?
Yeah, because bait is it's actually bed in Arabic, so it's a very closer like pronunciation.
I thought when my mom is at house, just like a dinosaur. Okay, so when mom is at house, it's mabait. Okay.
She's kind. When mom is at home, she's kind. Mabait.
The next is bad. Bad ba to? Or unkind, yeah. Cruel.
Yes. Sorry, cruel. Yeah.
Cruel, yeah. Cruel is the salbahe din. The same with salbahe, unkind, cruel.
So let me. I was pronouncing like English. Salbahe. Let me like salbahe. Yeah, it's same thing. Salbahe. Can you hear that?
Yeah, salbahe. Yes.
So it's yeah, salbaje. It's actually like J in Spanish sound like because it's jota in J. It's not J in Spanish. It's jota. Jota is it's kind of hard in Spanish. So it's
salbaje. Salbaje, unkind, cruel. Yeah, same.
Busog.
And then full.
Is full.
Busog.
Busog. Busog. How to remember that? Okay, bus. Og. OG. Bus,
the name
OG.
of the bus is OG.
Yeah, the OG bus is full. No one can enter. Full.
Okay.
Okay, bus. OG
I know
is full.
The full is busog as in when you eat many.
Yeah. Just to try to remember,
Okay.
The bus
because in English, diba? In English, full is filled. Filled.
Yeah.
Filled.
No, as well. Yeah. Both remember, bus.
Yeah.
Bus OG is full.
Bus OG is full.
Okay, let's say bus OG. OG the driver is full. You can say that.
Yeah.
OG the driver is full.
OG the driver is full.
In that bus, OG the driver is full. Yeah.
Yes.
Bus busog. But it's difficult to remember because when I have to practice more just to remember the pronunciation. Busog is because it's very different the pronunciation. Okay. And gutom is hungry. Yeah,
Hungry.
I know that. Gutom.
Yeah.
Ako ay
Yes.
gutom. Is
Yes,
correct?
ako din ay gutom. Gutom.
Did you just say din or what?
Yeah,
Ako ay?
ako din. Ako. You said
You
ako
too.
ay gutom. Yeah, and then I answered yeah, ako din
Okay.
ay gutom.
Gutom. Okay. Next is.
The same goes with full.
Again, puno isn't it a tree?
Tree, yeah. Different accent. Puno is a tree. Puno is a full.
Okay. Like
different accent.
Like baka and baka.
Yeah,
right?
baka or baka.
Okay. Puno. Puno and puno, right?
Puno is the tree. Puno is the full.
Okay. Walang laman.
Oh, that's empty.
Walang anuman. I know walang anuman. Like don't mention, right? Walang
Yeah.
anuman. But walang here. Walang laman.
Wala is nothing.
Nothing. Then laman. Laman is empty or
empty.
What?
Yeah.
Laman means empty. Naman. I know naman.
Naman.
Puti naman.
Puti naman. Ito walang laman.
So walang naman is empty. Walang laman.
Walang.
Okay. Masikip. Masikip, right? Masikip.
Yeah. That's right.
Again, masi, it means fly.
Okay.
Okay, fly. Because of fly. No, because of keeping flies.
Keep the flies off. Yun na lang siguro.
Keep the fly in a tight place or no? Tight place or no? Or yeah, I can do that. Keep the masi in a box and tie it hard so that it can't goes out.
Yes. Okay. Keeping the flies in a tight box.
I could solve this this way. I could solve it.
Okay. Yes. And then lose. It's maluwang.
Maluwang. Like character in Resident Evil novel. It's actually a game. We have Ada Wong. Ada Wong. She's a bad character. So yeah, Mal is always bad in Spanish. Mal Yu Wong. Yeah.
Okay.
So how to associate with lose?
Lose.
Malu Wong, we are wearing a loose trouser. Yeah, we can associate like that.
Okay. So maluwang. Good. Yay! We're able
See,
to
this is a very effective way to remember. How many? I don't know how many, but I could remember the words.
Yeah, and you're so great with that because you were able to associate it based on your experience, based on your movie that
different languages, yeah, different languages.
The Spanish. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bengali, Arabic, all.
Next time, okay, your next meeting, you have to review. You have to go over with the two sets of adjectives and then the opposites that we have tackled, and then I will show you a picture, and then you have to describe as many as possible, but in Tagalog. Okay, so let's see.
You try with the other student as well. If who like this method, maybe the other student might not like it, but there are who's like my kind, he might like it, But like other students, maybe might not like it. Try like this method. See how effective it was, like to associate with the word and like other languages. Yeah, it's very easy to remember. I don't have to like memorize. Like I can review one
the other way. You have the other way to remember things. Because you were able to. So ibig sabihin, you have rich in experience and ideas. That's why you were able to associate it. But some students cannot able to associate it because of siguro little experience. How they will associate it with travels, with place if they were not able to. They were not there. Something like that, or they were.
Yeah, you can try as the best way possible.
Yes. Yeah. And each students they has their own way on how they learn.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's why I said, who are my kind? He can.
That's why in Italki, of course, they will choose their teacher based on if the teacher is effective on their learning. So
yeah, exactly.
not all the students that I teach they come back because maybe they have other ways on how they will learn. So it's good. It's we have no problem with that as long as you're learning. So you go. Okay. So thank you very much. Yeah, I've already sent to you our lesson. So you have to scroll them, then try to remember.
Opo.
Okay,
Maraming salamat.
Okay, bye-bye.
Walang anuman. Ingat. Hanggang sa muli.